Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm jumping on this new trend and I am going to be following a makeup guru's makeup tutorial. Personally, whenever I post any makeup look on my channel, I'm always like, I'm no Desi Perkins. So I thought it would be really cool and kind of ironic that I will be following Desi Perkins' makeup look. Let's get started. I actually have something to do later, shopping with my little brother, so I hope I look fly. That's what we want to look like.
I'm doing
oh, I have it. That's why I wanted to do this one, I think.
So good. I love this palette.
Yes, Kathleen.
It's going to go in my
Love you.
favorites for this month for sure. With all of that said, let's go ahead and get into the tutorial. I'm going to take the Heart Shape Tape in medium. So I'm going to go ahead and use that as my eyeshadow base. I'm just taking my dose of color.
Wait, she already has her...
And I like to run...
I got a text. She already has her eyebrows done. I have not... Oh my god. I'm already trying to catch up. I'm going to use ABH. I'm going to use it in Ebony. Yes, I know, it's hella dark. I'm going to use a crown brush. This one's the angle liner brush, but I like to use it for my brows. I just like to cover up those bald spots. Definitely not a Desi Perkins brow. Oh my god. There's a lot of pressure. I bet you my brows look the same. I haven't even changed. I just filled in my brows. I'm not even gonna lie. They're decent. I never really have bomb brows, but anyway, let's continue.
Run that right into the brow.
Let's see if that saves my brows.
And the sparkly green.
Oh my god, that's too much.
I thought, you know, for sure that sparkly green look, because, you know, I'm always doing like warm tone looks, and they always want something different, but you guys don't actually want something different, do you? You want those warm tone, sparkly, rose gold looks. Don't lie. So now I'm just taking a little bit of my lower...
Hold on, girl. Hold on. I'm going to use a Wet n Wild brush to blend this in. Why does my brow not look like her, though? Alright, girl, continue.
The translucent powder. I'm going to set the concealer so that it's not all sticky and it dries nice and matte and powdery blend.
I don't have that, but I have the RC No Color. Love this stuff.
Sometimes I'll use like a bone colored eyeshadow, which I like to use for the brow bone highlight. Still might do that after. This is just to get everything mattified here. Like I said, I'm going to use a bone colored eyeshadow to highlight the brow bone, and there's not really one in here.
Okay, I don't have that, but I think I'm just going to use my OG Sonia Kashuk. I'm going to use the very, very white bony shade.
I'm going to go on the high points, and then I'm going to blend it out.
Oh my god, does it even show over here?
Feather it out on the edges. And now that we've highlighted the brow
Girl, I'm still highlighting.
just kind of dragging it downwards. Blends nice. And so now I'm going to go into the Dream Street palette.
I'm a mess.
The first color I'm going to be taking is Stardust from the palette. It's this light. Okay. I'm taking it all the way down too.
Okay.
Downtown. And we're really just going to keep building this color until we have a nice gradient into that brow bone highlight. Yes. I love this MAC brush.
Can't relate.
I don't know what it is.
Already I can tell that my look is not going to look like hers. I don't know why. I guess shadows just show up on her better than mine.
So we're taking this shade right over here.
Ooh, I've never done red.
And I like to tilt my head and look down into a mirror so that I could really see my eye socket shape and follow that.
I'm gonna agree with her. Her technique is bomb. My eyeshadow still looks like crap, but go Desi. Tell me what else.
Let that go onto the outer V too as well.
Oh my god, I didn't do that.
This color definitely picks up more like...
Hold up. Why is mine not that pigmented? I'm changing brushes. Alright, this one works a lot better. Yes, yes, yes. BH Cosmetics. You know what? I think that's the best it's ever going to get for me, so continue.
Take a clean brush and blend out those edges. So now that we're all smoked the fuck out, we're going to go into deep depth over here in this area. Just packing it on with a pencil brush first, and then I'll use a blending brush to...
Gotcha. Okay, I'm using a Crown blending crease brush. It is very tiny, so I'm gonna pack that shit on. Tell me more, Desi.
Blend it out. I'm also gonna run that on the upper lash line, just across a little bit. So how was your Christmas? Or
pretty good. It's March already. I actually do like this look too. It makes your lashes look so much fuller, especially if you're just gonna add mascara. Where the hell did my brown shadow go though? I'm gonna go back in there. I think I blended it out too much that I can't even see my brown shadow anymore. And I want it to look like hers. So freaking bad.
It's smoky over here. So basically I'm just building it up, and then as I'm just deepening up the socket right into the crease with whatever's left over on all that stuff. We're gonna go ahead and move on to the lid. And I'm going to carve the lid out because it's okay.
Oh, I forgot this. I've never done this. Ever. Oh my gosh. Why did I choose this one?
Whatever. Look down. Really get a feel of where your crease is. And then just clean up the lid.
Alright, so lid. Start low. We work it in. Why does that look so messy? Nothing like hers. Wow. So my card was full. I had to delete everything, and you guys might have watched me put on this concealer or not, but I think I fucked it up.
Makes it look clean.
Not mine.
For the lid color, and that lid color is going to be this one right here. It's so pretty. Shooting Star. Boom.
Wait, which one? Yes, that one's good. There's hope.
I believe I did actually spray my brush with a little bit of Fix Plus to just pump it up.
How to get my Fix Plus. I'm so scared this is gonna crease. Alright, I'm gonna try it on this one. It's pretty. The shadow pretty much did come in clutch, and it did save me. Oh hell no. I am so bad at cut creases though. Hers still looks good. Mine looks crazy. I can tell that hers looks so much prettier here in the middle. Am I allowed to like modify my look? Because she looks bomb, but me?
Also go back into that more warm tone shade.
That's what I wanted. That's what I'm going to do. See, that looks more like hers right now.
Kathleen Lights. Using the new NARS foundation.
Yes, it's so good. Freaking love it. I'm going to add like 2 pumps. 3 maybe.
Our beauty blender.
Okay, she said no beauty blender. That's cool. It's not like I was ready to use it. I'm actually going to be using the Milani foundation brush. It's really good. Oh my gosh, she already looks so good.
So I do like a nice thin.
Why do I look ghostly? I look ghostly right now. She looks like she came back from Cancun and just lived her life.
Now we're moving on to concealer. I love to always mix these two. This is the Becca Luminous in beige. I'll apply that one first.
My coworker told me to get that.
Like fine line Tarte Shape Tape. I love the Tarte Shape Tape for like any hollowness.
I don't have the Becca one. I do have my new favorite, the NARS Creamy Concealer. She says she likes this here. I agree with her. Right?
It's like the best, but it's a little dry for like right under my eyes. So what I do is I apply this first.
Cool, we have the same beauty blender, so I'm expecting those results. Let's see. Oh, I like this.
The forehead.
Oh my god, it's too much pressure right now.
Fuck, that's like right here I have a little shadow, so I'm going to hit that one time. Chin, Cupid's though. Living that full coverage life today. Just a second longer than the rest. It'll keep the straight shape instead of blending out.
I'm just going to go in straight with my powder, and I am
guessing translucent powder. I'm going to apply that on the under eyes.
Okay, so I'm just going to... Alright.
Just whatever's left over, I get it on the apples of the cheeks. And then just take a small powder brush.
Even her baking looks so good.
Center powder as well, just so it mattifies.
What the fuck? Out here looking like a powdered donut.
So I'm going to use our Desi Katie Mírame highlight.
I don't have that highlight, but I do have Gilded Honey. I have a weird nose.
So put that on the bridge of the nose too. Let's go. And then switching brushes.
I'm going to be using the e.l.f. blush brush, and I really like it. I'm going to add some Fix Plus. I'm sorry, but I cannot do a Desi Perkins tutorial if my highlight is not popping.
Using the Victoria Beckham bronzer in Java Sun. This is with Estee Lauder.
I'm going to use my Hoola bronzer and my Lexi 504 brush. Looks like she's just applying on the hollow of her cheeks, so...
For blush, I'm going to be using this Bobbi Brown Slopes blush.
I'm gonna go in with the Laura Geller.
Okay, pues.
Okay, pues, you just gotta look really happy. Make it look so natural. When do I stop? Pretty.
And I'm gonna let it like really be heavy out here. And then
ooh, I'm down. Just making it kind of connect on the ends.
I'm going to take the dark brown shade here, and we're going to just put that on the outer part of the lower lash line. This shade right over here called Spark, and this is going to be my inner corner highlight.
Ooh, I have one of those. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to be like. Alright, so I'm going to just add some Fix Plus. She doesn't really say it, but she's an advocate for this, so I'm just going to pretend she's told me to. And I'm going to grab that, and she added it in the middle. Let's see how that works out for me. Actually picked up this new Bad Gal Bang mascara from Benefit.
Cosmetics black liner. I'm going to put that in my waterline. And then also make sure you put it on the upper waterline.
I have contacts on.
Of course, I'm getting liner on your contact, which I just did.
She feels it.
Lily lashes. These are some of my favorite lashes.
I know what she's saying, and I don't have those. I don't know which ones to use. I wanted to use the House of Lashes and Iconic because literally these were her favorites for a really long time, and she was the only reason why I bought them. But then I ripped the band. The lashes she's holding, Iconics would be the ones to go with. Also, I'm going to be using the House of Lashes Lash Glue. Oh. Put on the Iconic lashes. I love them. I was able to make this one work. It's the one that I ripped the band, but it's okay.
I'm going to be using NYX Abu Dhabi, and I didn't really use a lip liner. I kind of just put it on really quick.
Abu Dhabi is actually one of my favorites, so I got really excited when I saw that she was using it. Although I'm going to say my highlight isn't popping like that. So, oh girl, like, I gotta live up to the Desi glow, you know what I mean? You love, like, soft pink and nude lip colors. Go get yourself Abu Dhabi. I already know you're dead.
That's the finished makeup look, guys. We're all done. Well, I really hope you guys enjoyed the video.
Thanks, Desi. Love you. Hold on. No, we're not done. I never put on any under lash mascara. Also, I'm going to go in with Fix Plus. Alright guys, so that was the end of the video. Clearly, I was struggling in the beginning, and I thought this was going to be a complete mess. But I would legit not mind at all going out like this. Let me know what you guys thought in the comments below. Also follow me on Instagram, subscribe, and like my shirt says, más amor por favor. Let's show each other love, and until next time, I'll see you guys. Bye.
So lover, which way have you moved? It's been a while.